Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to remove the printer head of an Epson BX635FWD actually. So this is my printer model. As you can see, I want to change the printer head. So I'll show you where the printer head is located and how to remove it step by step and how even to fix it back. It's just a few steps, a few screws you need to unscrew, and then you fix your new printer head. So let's just go straight ahead into it. Yeah, you just raise open the lid and you remove the cartridge just like I've shown you here. Mine is external fixed, so you can just remove the cartridge from the position it's usually. Yeah, so you just remove it and you can keep it aside. Okay, then the next thing you need to do, you need to remove, I've already removed mine, so I'll just show you part by part so that it can be easier. You see, this is the sensor, so you need to remove the sensor. The sensor looks like this. Let me turn it a bit. As you can see, it has the chip. Yeah, it's usually located at this very end here. It's always located here. So how to remove it, you just check from the sides. You will find this clip which has hooked it, which usually hooks. There's no screw. Yeah, you see there's the clip on this end. You just press it from both ends, both sides, then push this thing up. It just comes out. But don't forget again to remove the cord because it's usually attached on this end. Yeah, so you remove it first before you pull it out. So that's the second part to remove, and you keep it on a safe and a clean place like this. Then the third part you need to remove, it is this thing which holds the the print head. It looks like this. It's a small one. As you can see, it also has a clip whereby it hooks. What you need to do is you press the hook, this plastic, then push it up and the hook comes out. It's usually located somewhere, I don't know if it is visible enough, but somewhere around here. I hope it is visible now. Yeah, it's usually located here, so you have to pull it up. You just press it and you pull it up like this. Yeah, then after that you will find 3 silver screws. They are like this size, screwed on the plate of the head. Yeah, the print head has, at the top part it looks like this. So you'll find, you see the 3 holes, you can see from my left the 2, and on my right on the top part the 3rd one. Yeah, so you just unscrew them and then you pull it up gently, whereby you'll have to remove again the connector. You can see this connector here. This is where the printer head is being connected to the whole printer system. So you just pull it up, and this is how the print head looks like. So in my case, I can replace this one with F1900000 or F1900010. So as you can see, the process is simple. There is nothing difficult in removing the printer head. So let's go ahead and clean it, and also we can replace with our new printer head.